So it's no secret that bank accounts can be pretty boring. I mean, you get your paycheck deposited into one every other week, you can pay your bills from your bank account, and then maybe you might earn just a little bit of interest from your balance. But in this video, we're gonna be talking about a popular newer finance app and bank account that has been taking its customers' banking experience to the next level for the past few years, and that is SoFi and the SoFi Money account. Now, I think that SoFi Money is the best online bank account in 2021 because not only does it get a few improvements over your typical checking or savings account from any old traditional bank, but it also has a few really nice specific features to SoFi that are not offered with those other bank accounts, such as the ability to track your net worth and your spending so that you can grow your wealth and live more financially free. So first, let me talk about a few of the main features of SoFi Money, and then I'll talk about how this bank account can fit into the overall SoFi app and all that this app can offer. And then later on, I'll go over the bonus opportunity that SoFi is offering where you could earn a solid bonus of potentially up to $125 when you sign up for and use SoFi Money. Now, SoFi Money is not actually a regular checking or savings account, and SoFi actually says on their website that it's a cash management brokerage account. And with this, you'll get all the standard features of a regular bank account along with a few additional useful benefits. For example, you can receive your direct deposit paycheck from your employer just like any other bank account, but SoFi allows you to receive that money up to 2 days early. So for me, I typically receive my paycheck from my employer in my bank account on a Friday, every other Friday, but now since using SoFi Money, I've been receiving the paycheck via direct deposit every other Wednesday. Now, this early paycheck feature maybe seemed cool a few years ago, but most newer bank accounts now offer a similar feature, so it's nothing groundbreaking here. But if you do choose to set up automatic recurring direct deposit payments from your employer to your SoFi Money account, then you'll unlock a few extra benefits as well. With at least $500 of monthly recurring deposits, your interest rate that you'll earn on the money in your account will go from 0.01% APY to 0.25% APY, which is nice because that's a rate that's 6 times higher than the national average. Now, of course, 0.25% isn't that much, but it does have the potential to increase in the future when overall interest rates increase as a whole. And if you set up direct deposits of at least $1,000 per month, then you'll get no fee overdraft coverage up to $50 in case you spend a little bit more money than you actually have in your account. Also, with the SoFi Money account, your money will be covered by FDIC insurance up to $1.5 million. Since SoFi has partnered with multiple banks because SoFi itself is not actually a bank, it had to work with these partner banks instead where your money will be held. Another nice budgeting feature that SoFi Money offers is vaults, where you can create almost a separate sub-account within your account to set aside some extra money for maybe an emergency fund, a travel fund, or really anything else that you need to stash away some extra cash for. And when you do need access to any of that cash in your money account, SoFi gives you access to the Allpoint ATM network, which has more than 55,000 ATMs worldwide that you can use to withdraw money with 0 fees. I know that I really like this feature because before, I used to just carry around my Wells Fargo debit card, and anytime I went to a place that didn't have a Wells Fargo location or a Wells Fargo ATM nearby, I had to use a different ATM, and I ended up paying some extra fees to withdraw cash. Now, with the SoFi debit card in my wallet, it's really easy to avoid those fees because I just have to open up the app on my phone, use the ATM map feature, and then I can find a fee-free ATM nearby that's within that network. A few other nice features of the SoFi Money account include the ability to actually earn a little bit of cash back with your debit card. All you have to do, again, is open up the app here and see what local stores and restaurants are offering that cashback feature. You also can write and deposit checks if you need to with your SoFi Money account, and there's no account fees. Okay, so that is SoFi Money, but like I said at the beginning of this video, that is only part of what SoFi offers. So next, I want to get into some of the other features of SoFi and their other complementary products to SoFi Money that'll help you to give a better, well-rounded picture of your financial health at a glance on your phone. SoFi Invest is another account that you may want to open up with SoFi, and it does exactly what it sounds like. You can invest in things like stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrency. If you're not sure exactly how to invest or what to invest in, SoFi Invest will give you help with the access that you need to some financial professionals that can help you to understand your goals and what your risk tolerance is. That way you can be smart with your money and help it to work for you. Along with all of this, SoFi also offers retirement accounts, so you can set up a traditional, a Roth, or a SEP IRA, which have different benefits and tax advantages that can help you to save your money for retirement. And sticking with the SoFi Money account theme of no fees, stock transactions are going to have no commissions, and then speaking to a professional about your financial planning and help with that comes at no additional cost. Another SoFi product that comes along with the overall SoFi family of financial products is the SoFi Credit Card. Now, as someone that talks a lot about credit cards here on this channel, I like to recommend ones that provide the most benefits to people, and I can say that I do believe the SoFi Credit Card has a lot of good things going for it. First of all, the SoFi Credit Card will earn you 2% back on all purchases. Now, the way that this works is that you'll be getting 2 SoFi rewards points for each dollar that you spend on that credit card, and you can redeem those SoFi rewards points at a value of 1 cent per point when you put them into your SoFi Money account towards stocks or crypto with SoFi Invest, or if you redeem them towards any loan that you might have with SoFi. Now, I'll do a whole separate video going into more detail about the SoFi Credit Card, but I have talked about this credit card in a recent video where I actually recommended it over the Apple Card due to that 2% back and due to the fact that SoFi has a better financial app compared to the Apple Card app. The SoFi Credit Card is a really solid option as a catch-all type of card, and it also comes with no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and a really nice cell phone protection benefit as well. And finally, the last main feature with the whole SoFi app that I want to quickly talk about here in this video, and this is going to sort of tie together your overall financial picture, and that is the SoFi Relay feature. So the goal with SoFi Relay is to give SoFi customers the ability to track all of their money in one place. If you're familiar with other financial services and apps out there like Mint and Personal Capital, then you probably get the idea here. But I think that it's such a great idea to have all these features that SoFi Relay offers all inside of one app that you use as your bank account, because most likely you're probably logging into your bank account maybe once a week or every other week to check and make sure that you're receiving your paychecks or to pay bills or something like that. So you might as well be able to check in on your investments, bank accounts, and other accounts too. Now, what you can do is you can link all of your accounts through a service called Plaid, where all transmissions between SoFi and Plaid are encrypted using strong algorithms and protocols based on industry best practices, so your data is secure. You can link many accounts automatically by simply logging in through this secure service, and for any accounts that you can't link, or if you're trying to add an asset like a car or something, you could always manually add those as well. Once all of your accounts, credit cards, assets, and loans, and all that other stuff is linked to SoFi, you'll be able to see one of your most important numbers when it comes to your financial health, and that is your net worth. This is simply all of the assets that you own minus all of the debts and liabilities that you owe, and the goal here, of course, is to increase those assets while decreasing those liabilities over time. To do that, with SoFi Relay, you're gonna get a good current picture of your spending habits because it's gonna show you your transactions across all of your linked accounts, as well as any income that may be coming into those accounts. This can help you to quickly see if your cash flow is positive or if you need to cut back just a little bit in your monthly budget. Another thing that SoFi Relay will allow you to track is your credit score, because it's gonna show you your changes each month to that credit score as you open up new accounts, pay off balances, and other things like that. SoFi also gives you some advice and clarity around some of the different factors that make up your credit score, which I've also talked about in a few of my recent videos that I'll link up here in the corner of the screen right now and down in the description below as well if you want to check those out. So as you can see, SoFi has a ton of really valuable features across the different products that they offer. But the two things that all these products have in common are very minimal or no fees, as well as a focus on empowering their customers to get a better understanding of their financial situation, which is what makes SoFi a company that I can really get behind. Now, if you're interested in signing up for a SoFi Money account, then like I said before, it's completely free to do so, but SoFi will actually pay you to try them out. You can get $25 for free after you fund a new SoFi Money account with at least $10 within the first 5 days after using my referral link down in the description below to sign up. Now, this is not at all a sponsored video, but since I use SoFi Money and I think it's a great financial product, I wanted to make this video for anyone out there that was looking to learn more about SoFi. And for anyone that does use my referral link, it's an easy way to help support my channel while still getting a nice little bonus and the benefit of using SoFi. So thank you so much if you do sign up with that link, but no pressure to sign up if you don't want to. Also, there's an additional offer out there right now, at least until the end of 2021, where you get an extra $100 bonus after you get $1,000 in qualifying direct deposits from your employer into your SoFi Money account within a 30-day period. So again, if you're interested in signing up for SoFi or the SoFi Money account, then make sure you take advantage of those bonuses, because that's just an easy way to earn a little bit of extra cash. And those offers are subject to change, so if you do click on that link at some point in the future, then there may be a different offer available at that time. But thank you all so much for watching. If you're still watching this video right now, then go ahead and comment down below, show me the money to let me know that you enjoyed this video about SoFi Money. And be sure to go ahead and tap the like button down below and consider subscribing as well. But I hope that you all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.